Need a sturdy cable to charge your Apple device? Then the Amazon Basics Nylon Braided USB-A to Lightning compatible cable is for you. The cable is Apple MFi certified, which ensures complete charge and sync capabilities with Lightning compatible devices. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty, the high-quality copper wires promote maximum signal quality and strength. Plus, these cables have been thoroughly tested to bend 95 degrees. Amazon Basics Nylon Braided USB-A to Lightning compatible cable is perfect to use at home, in the car, or at your office.